Yay, Blainer! Yucky, don't eat the paper. Yucky paper! Yucky paper, yucky. Yay, Blainer! Should we see what's in the box? Should we see what's in the box? Come here. What is it? What is it? Hey, look at that. You've got a Ducks t-shirt. Oh, you want the lid, huh? That's more fun. Hi, Toby. Blainer, come here.